Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. And today's video, it's a Maggie Holmes swap hosted by Mandie at Mandie's Place. We were required to do 3 embellishments, give some die cuts, as well as 3 memory decks cards. So let's review what I put together. So the first set of embellishments, these are 3 mini envelopes lined with golden foil, and on the packaging I used this fabric flower from Joann's Fabric, some crepe paper and some trim. And let's open the first one. So to cut the glare. Okay. So these are mini envelopes that I put together with the Maggie Holmes paper collection. I used the puffy stickers from the same collection as well, and also these mini minty flowers with a rhinestone in the middle. So they turn out very cute. And here are the die cuts. We're required to give like 5. And let's put these back together. So this is the set. I have to label things with my name. I'll do that later when I'm getting ready to mail them. Then the other set are mini coffee cups. Yes, I am so obsessed about these coffee cups. I finally purchased the dies and I am having so much fun playing with them around. And I use the Maggie Holmes Carousel paper collection, use some Nouveau drops to outline the little dots. Almost looks like a gem. I get it closer, so it's very cute. And my die cuts were a set of birdies with wings. And I packaged these with, again, crepe paper and some cup lining embellies that I made a long time. If you want to see how I made these rosettes, I will link the video in the description box below. And this is the set. Hope it's not showing that much glare, but... And my last one, it's plain and simple. I made these rosettes using, again, the Carousel collection and confetti collection and willow lane thickers. And how I decorated this one, I didn't use a baggy topper, but what I did was I used one of my square scallop dies, glue it, and put some trim, some puffy hard stickies, and on the back these are the die cuts that I'm giving as well. And this is it. It's very dimensional. I love it. I also use a scallop die and cut it so you see a lot of pattern, but again keeping everything consistent. And this is the other set, the 2 mini heart rosettes. And let's take a look at the memory decks cards. I'm gonna put these things on the side, and this one I show it on my Instagram account. I will leave it over here. I go by KC Westfall 48, and again I use a golden rosette from American Crafts, Maggie Holmes stickies, papers, more stickers, and ephemera. And these are from the Prima Havana collection. and they go along with the colors, and I think it look cute. And I put some trim here just to have more texture since it looks quite flat. Then this other one, I love this other one. Again, I used the Carousel collection, the frame, ice cream die, paper from the Willow collection, and this is from Flourish as well. And again, my trim from Walmart, and I think it looks really cute. And then this other one, it's Love You With My Whole Heart. So this is again an ephemera from Chasing Dreams, Hobby Lobby, Paper Studio, Rosette, some trims, and Carousel paper, more paper from Carousel. I used a hard die and cut this piece. And behind is a little birdie from the Flourish collection, which is peeking. And love this black and white heart, again with the Prima Havana jemmies and a puffy heart sticky. So these are my Memory Decks cards. So let's take a look at the goodies that I'm going to give away. I'm going to give away these stickies from Heidi Swapp. I put it in the Maggie Holmes Confetti Party Favors baggie, a rosette, a bow, and a kind of like a Polaroid clip, and also a Amy Tangerine adhesive pockets. So each of my swapping partners will get these goodies. And these are the Memory Decks cards. Each package will have a different Memory Decks cards. I didn't want to do the same. And then of course the embellies. All of them are the same set, same look, the same paper collections, same packaging. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and let me know down in the comments below what you like, and if you want to see a process video on these embellishments or on these Memory Decks cards. Let me know down below. And thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.